Hail the size of baseballs in some areas.
Yeah, I was in a bad spot. I mean, I definitely was.
Michael Daniels, a baseball coach at Riverside High School, says he nearly struck out while trying to avoid the storm before a game.
But it was so loud. It was just crazy how loud it was.
Up close, his pickup truck is dented all over.
$5,000 worth of damage.
The side, roof, and hood.
You can definitely see this is where it started hitting a whole bunch when I first started coming out of the parking lot.
Daniels and more than 3,000 State Farm customers filed claims. The company set up a mobile drive-in in the parking lot of the Home Depot on Wade Hampton Boulevard. Allstate Insurance did the same thing. All you do is report a claim online or call in and set up an appointment.
We'll be here as long as it takes to service all our policyholders.
Inspectors will look over your entire vehicle. That takes about an hour. Then they'll write a check right there to cover the damage.
And it was scary. Yeah, I was at home, and it was like super loud.
Daniels' wife, Sherry, was hoping for better news after her inspection.
I just learned that there's extensive damage and that the vehicle is not worth them repairing.
So they totaled it.
So they totaled it.
She gets a smaller check because repairs will be more expensive than her car is now worth.
That was kind of the worst case scenario.
Weather damage is covered under what's called comprehensive coverage. You never know when you might need it. Corey Davis, WYFF News 4 in Greenville County.